Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing how I set up my family's gift wrapping table. So if you're interested in how we save on gift wrapping, stay tuned. This year we're going to be using up all of our old wrapping paper and repurposing a couple of gift bags. First, I started by gathering items that we had around the house. Next, I filled this basket with the boxes and repurposed a couple of the gift bags from last year. I found 4 unopened packs of tissue paper and some extra white paper. I filled this smaller basket with ribbon, string, and gift tags. My goal for this year was to use up all the open wrapping papers first. If you don't have a large space for wrapping, this planter cart worked really well. Now let's get wrapping. Honestly, I'm not that great at gift wrapping. However, if you give me some tissue paper and a cute gift bag, I could make it work. Full disclosure, I did pick up 2 cute gift bags for my mom and niece. Thanks for watching. I hope you have an amazing holiday and an even better new year. Bye!